Well, we've always spoken out on the right of nations and governments to defend themselves. In this case, like the Hamas attack on Israel on the 7th of October, this is also against international laws. So it'll be up to them to sort it out, and we will just have to stand by the principle of sovereignty and our right to defend sovereignties. We went in while the fighting was going on, right at the beginning. So if the United Nations pulls out all the peacekeepers, then we will come out. But it's not a national call.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, what's in the box? See.
It's so new and fresh!
Looks better, eh?
This is everything I could have ever wanted.
What you looking at? Oh, you're gonna have to find out.